What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Another day, and let's see if we can make another dollar. Hope everyone had a good night's rest and is ready to rock and roll. We got some stuff to look at today here on the scans, and man, Tesla. Wow, what a move yesterday on Tesla. It's looking like it's going to transition over into today. Maybe it has continuation over 1200. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. But I hope everyone had a good night, and thank you very much for tuning in. Remember to smash the like button for me. Let's go ahead and start getting ready to look at some charts here. If you guys have any tickers you want me to take a look at, now would be the time. Throw them up in chat for me, and I'll be happy to go over that with you. Just catching up on some stuff here real quick, guys. While that's going on, go ahead and throw those tickers up on the chat. I'll be happy to bring them up. Oh, we got a break in. Oh, she went away. Oh, she got back in. Di hi. Nah, me con mamá. Agua. Had a little break in this morning. IMMX. All right, we're gonna look that one up now. She just wanted to say good morning. Nice. All right. Where is everything? Okay, guys, bear with me here. Morning, morning, Kevin. All right, so IMMX, you wanted to look up. Yeah, that was one of the leaders this morning. Let's see what kind of news this thing has. IMMX 20 hours ago, so yesterday. Shares rally on FDA rare pediatric disease tagged for cancer program in children. Wait, yeah, this is yesterday. Yesterday this one was on the watch list, wasn't it? Yeah, that's right. We had this one on watch yesterday. We had it on watch yesterday for $5 to hold support, but it gapped up a little bit higher. And then it sold off all day. Guys, when you have a sore throat, this little candy right here, this thing's a lifesaver. This little Ricola thing, I'm telling you, not sponsored. I should be. Awesome for sore throat. So yeah, IMMX we did have on watch yesterday. It sold off at the end of the day. And now it's bounced back some. You know, maybe if it holds this 630s, 650 zone, we can watch. I'm going to put it on watch for that. Man, I must have woken up last night like 15 times. IMMX. Big gapper yesterday, sold off. End of day. Today, it's gapping up again, watching for the 6. I mean, honestly, it would be better if it would just break and hold 8. I'm gonna pivot right there at 820. Watching for it to break and hold 820 as support. Could have room over 9. Adam Ricola, yep. You guys remember when we were kids, The Price is Right? Wouldn't that come out there like one of the commercials, one of the sponsors would be Ricola? Ricola. I'll never forget that. William Barnes, FLGC catching some volume. Yep, it certainly is. It's finding resistance right here at the gap entry area. Let's see if it has any news. So 2 hours ago, Flora Growth expands product distribution through Walmart.com and Coppel in Mexico. All right. So it does have some news. The problem with this one is this chart. If you break into the gap, you immediately have to contend with the 50-day moving average. That could be a problem. But maybe here in the 230s, you know, if it finds some support, which it kind of is finding that support here in pre-market, I'm going to put it on the back burner list. Okay, so back burner FLGC watching for the 225 area to hold support on pullbacks. Could have room to 270 over that. Has room to 50-day moving average in the $3 zone. Cindy, good morning. Feeling a little bit better. The throat is a little bit more sore today, but definitely feeling a little bit better. Thank you. Appreciate it. So we got FLGC on there. So FLGC, here's your 225 area right there. Back here, you see a little bit of resistance there as well. And then obviously, you can see where that 270 zone is for resistance right here. And then the 50-day moving average lies right there at $3. Okay, so we got IMMX, FLGC. So far, we have those on watch. Guys, do me a quick favor. Remember, we got 12 people watch. Sorry, we got 20 people watching. Welcome to the stream, and 12 likes. Help me out here and hit that like button for me. It really helps out. We go 13. All right, we're just gonna start climbing now. 14, 15. Let's see if we can get there. All right, so we have IMMX, FLGC. We have let's check in on this PSTV. PSTV 2 hours ago. So Plus Therapeutics announces 2 significant milestones towards CGMP manufacture of its lead investigational radiotherapeutic. All right, so I met 2 significant milestones. So that's PSTV meets 2 significant milestones. The problem with this one is we got that 50-day, 100-day. I hate those plays like that. 50-day, 100-day, and 200. They tend to be a little bit more choppy. Yeah, they tend to be a little bit more choppy. You got $2 lining up with the 200-day moving average, which lines up with all this previous resistance. This is not going to be an easy one. This one's not going to be an easy one. I'm gonna just put it. I guess I'll just put it for 160 support. Watching for the 160 area to hold support. Could have room to the 200-day MA around $2. You can see the 160 here. See previous support? Previous support there, turned resistance in here. And then obviously clear as day, $2 resistance. All right, so we got that. RELI. It doesn't really have any volume. It doesn't have any volume right now, but definitely one to keep on watch. It's held up very nicely. You got clear 825 resistance. Yesterday it pierced through that, got a little squeeze to the 950s, but gave it all back. Most of it anyways. It'd have to get through that level. You do have a little bit of an ascending triangle here. So got to keep that on watch. If it breaks up over this and it has volume, it could squeeze. But if it does that, then we could see a couple day sell-offs. Maybe it gets back down here to $5, previous support. Guys, you see how I'm drawing this out? I do this every single day in the Discord, in the live stream. And I do it during my day trades. Like I'll either be about to enter a trade and I'll draw out what I think is going to happen, or I'm in the trade and I'll draw out what I'm expecting to happen and stuff like that. So like we're there teaching all day long. So you can grab 30 days for free here. There's a link there in the chat. So that's something to keep on watch there on RELI. What else? NLSP. It just got a volume spike here that maybe it just dropped some news. Let's see. Well, it didn't just drop news. The news came out 3 hours ago. Announces patent. So NLSP Pharmaceutics announces patent issuance in the United States for its Mazindol extended release formulation. Their patent news. They don't do all that well on patent news usually. You would think it would, but not so much. You have clear 140s resistance. We're at that level right now. If it can break and hold that level, you could have room towards the 170s. You got that 50-day moving average as well as some previous support zones there. See the 50-day, the blue line? Previous support at that level. So, you know, that's something there. Hey, thanks for hitting the like button, guys. Appreciate it. Sorry, guys, that Ricola got that sore throat cooking. AFI. Nothing until it gets over 3 for me. You can see here on the daily that $3 level. CELZ. It's just selling off. That's a pretty bearish looking candle. That's a pretty bearish looking candle there, so it would need to hold this 270s. Oh, maybe if it holds that. GMPX big day yesterday. Really big day. But it's in a world of resistance now. Look at that. Look at all this resistance. Previously support level. So that 437 is going to be very difficult. If it can break and hold that, you got room to 515, 575. That'll be the next two areas. Aria, what's up? Welcome. Happy New Year. Welcome back. Glad to see you around again. So there you go. That would be GMPX. So right now we have IMMX, PSTV, FLGC on the watch list. We still haven't gone over Tesla, Lucid, SPY. We haven't gone over any of that. We went over IMMX earlier. IMMX, I mean, this one was, it's on here, on the watch. I'm sorry, on the scanners. We put it on the watch list. It was one of the first ones. Just watching to see if it can get over 820s. Right here, little pivot. You see, it was resistance yesterday and this morning. So we can get over that. You might get a little squeeze on. Needs to get over and hold that level. NRBO. Let's check if this one has some news. A lot of small caps moving around today. No news on this one. A lot of small caps moving around, and they haven't been trading all that well lately. Silver Shrimp, you have understood the assignment, my man. What's up? Happy New Year. All right. What time is it? Okay, so it's 8:27 a.m. I'm gonna try to run today until 9 like I usually do. Those of you who weren't around yesterday, I don't know, I caught some sort of bug. So yesterday I cut the stream a little bit early, around 8:40, 8:45. Hopefully today I can run it until 9. I'm trying to conserve my voice a little bit so that when I hop on over to the Discord, you know, I'm there all day long. So when I hop on over to the Discord, I can be there talking. You know what I'm saying? So here's the link if you want to come join us. First month free there. Spy put. I mean, I don't know, man. You know me. I like to buy puts, so I like to short into weakness, not into strength. Like for example, this is a SPY put option play I did a while back. This was, trying to see if I see the date on here. I know. You see how this level will support? We broke underneath it, and then in the afternoon, it turned into resistance. I went ahead and bought puts right here where this arrow is, and wrote it down. Took profits, and then I held on to a piece for an overnight swing. So I like to buy puts into weakness. So I like to short into weakness. SPY right now isn't very weak. It's pretty damn strong. So it's not something I would do. There are some people who, you know, they like to buy. They like to buy puts, or they like to short into strength, into resistance levels. I prefer to hit those resistance levels, show me the rejection, show me the weakness, and then I'll look for the downside. So on the SPY, and we're up there new all-time highs. If we were to open up here right now, it's crazy. It's just pretty crazy. Let me see something. So the all-time high on the SPY was 479 exactly. That's the all-time high, 479. So, you know, if 479 holds today, we could see this thing push and get up over 480. And then I think that's gonna send some other names like Tesla higher. Tesla's had trouble at that $1,200 level. See, this is the weekly chart on Tesla. 1200, very difficult to break over. We're right in front of that level now. We're at 1204, 1205. So I'm going to be watching that level today to see if it holds support on Tesla. If it does, if we can hold support here in that $1,200 zone, now you can see it was a tough area to get over. Here, we gapped up over it for a couple days, held it, and then we broke underneath it. And then resistance. Resistance. Yesterday, resistance. Let me show you another time where we had a similar, whoa. 700, tap, resistance, 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 resistance. Then we finally gapped up over it, pushed from 700 all the way up here to 730, and then just held it as support when we came back down till we broke underneath it again. But you can see how that's something that happens often with Tesla. So right now, maybe today we push off of it, and then maybe later we sell off. But I think maybe today we hold it and push off of it a little bit. Let's see. All-time high on Tesla, 1243. So if we hold 1200 today, I think, boom, we just gravitate towards that 1240. So I'm definitely putting Tesla on watch today. Tesla watching for the $1,200 area to hold support. On pullbacks, could have room to 1240s. We got Tesla, IMMX, PSTV, FLGC. Dwayne, what's up? Yep. Apple for sure. Had some movers. DWAC. No, there's nothing going on here. There's nothing going on in DWAC right now. It needs to keep holding, you know, this 52. If it holds this 52 area, resistance here, turn support, turned resistance again, and now it's trying to keep it as support. It needs to hold that level. If it does, you know, it has room to 66, 67, but then that area should hold it up a little bit. But right now there's not much going on there. Sorry guys. I'm taking everything. That way I can keep talking. Zach, I'm sorry, man. That I went over GMPX. Were you here when I did? Were you here when I went over GMPX? Jocelyn, you want VOI? Wait. That's nothing. Unless you're talking about this. I'm guessing this is some sort of OTC thing. I don't know. Oh, okay. You got it, man. No problem. No problem. Glad you were able to hear it. Okay, so Tesla, IMMX, PSTV, FLGC. Let me check on the trade idea scans here real quick. PSTV, we already went over. ISPC. All right. I'm gonna get rid of this stuff because I'm feeling like that's some sort of bot trying to promote some OTC stuff. Or very similar messages. ISPC. Nice push off the 100-day moving average on ISPC. But this 50-day moving average is going to be a tough zone. All right, so yeah, we're definitely being bombarded here with a few bots trying to pump some garbage, guys. Be careful. Do the best I can here. HOTH, let's go check on that one. This looks like something that would have had some news this morning. So Analysis Therapeutic shows positive results. So Hoth Therapeutic announces HTALZ Therapeutic shows positive results. Reduces amyloid in Alzheimer's disease. That's a good one, man. That's a good one there, Paul. Let's see. Let's analyze this chart a little bit. This one, oh, I like this little area here. 104 lines up with the 100-day moving average. And it's a previous support zone here on this daily chart. Gonna watch that level. HOTH, positive results, reduce amyloid, not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, and Alzheimer's disease. Watching the 104 area for support. Could have room to the 200-day MA. In the 130s. $130 area. That's funny. On which one? Oh, I got it now. I got it now. Yeah, I know. It was annoying, especially since I don't have Jonal's not in here modding today for me, so I had to be on top of those bots. My pleasure, Paul. Totally my pleasure. Guys, do me a quick favor. We got 36 people watching, 19 likes. Help me out here. Smash that like button so that YouTube says, oh, these people really like this stream, and hangs out with us and pushes the stream further up in the suggestion feed. BORR. SIOX. All right, not much. Not much else going on. Cindy, totally my pleasure. You know what? Here, grab this. It's a free course. You don't have to put a credit card or anything silly. It's totally a free course. Let me get it for you. Hold on. Because if you're new, then you'll benefit a lot from this. Here, grab this free course. If you have any problems at all trying to like get into it, please let me know. You can let me know by sending me a message on Discord here, and it's completely free as well. And I'll get you in touch with my site administrator, and he will make sure that you're able to get that free course. What will happen with the free course is you'll get an email sent to you with the instructions on how to get into the free course. That's it. Okay. Yeah, first thing you should do is get into the course, get familiar with a lot of stuff that, I mean, you're brand new. And then trade in a simulator. Please don't trade your hard-earned money. You're not ready for that. Picture this. If you wanted to be a lawyer, would you go straight out of high school and become a lawyer and go straight into court or go straight into negotiating contracts? No, right? You'd have to get trained up first, right? You wouldn't go start a law firm and with your hard-earned money that you've saved up without knowing how to be a lawyer. As a new trader, you don't know how to be a trader yet, so it's not a good idea to go out there and start trading with your hard-earned money when you don't know how to be a trader. The very first thing we got to learn is how to be a trader, and then go off and trade the hard-earned money. All right, guys, so we got Tesla, IMMX, PSTV, main watchers so far, FLGC, HOTH. We forgot about Lucid. So So Lucid having a hard time. Remember yesterday somebody asked me about Lucid and I said, look, it's got potential to that 50-day moving average, but I think that 50-day moving average might act as a level of resistance. And look at that 50-day moving average. The problem is that it's not only the 50-day moving average, it's lining up with this level here of resistance, this level here of resistance, later turned support, which then again became resistance. So that's going to be a very tough level for Lucid. Lucid needs to break up and out of that level and then hold it, pull back, show that it's support, and then it might have itself some room here to 45 and even 47, 48. Oh, Dwayne, you're double D. Dude, awesome. Awesome. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you on there. That's cool. Yeah, you're going to like it. You're going to like it, man. You know, I'm there all day. This week I'm a little bit slower on things because, like, you already know I'm sick. So, like, I'm taking all sorts of stuff, like, throughout the day so that I can keep talking. Ricolas, this spray. I don't know, man. But I'm kind of taking it easy a little bit this week. But yesterday we did an afternoon lesson as well. ENTX. All right, let's look at that one, William. Whoa. This one came out of nowhere, like a wrecking ball. I think we took a peek at this one. No, it wasn't this one. Maybe it was. No, it wasn't this one. It was another similar one. Wait a second. Let me welcome first. Oh, it's Cindy. Cindy, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on there. You can reach out to me there with any questions if you have any trouble downloading the new course, and I'll put you in touch with Jonal. You'll see him there on the Discord. As a matter of fact, here you go. You see here I am. Here's Jonal. Jonal's the site administrator. You can message him if you have any troubles downloading the course, the new, the free course. If you have any trouble with that, message him right away. And if you have any issues, please always you can let me know. This is the trade alert section here. But yeah, guys, this is the Discord right now. We have a little bit over 300 some odd members in here. Let me show you. This is the DTC Lounge, the DTC Pro Lounge, and then here's the DTC trading floor. So swing on by. All right. Oh, nice, guys. 28 likes, 39 watchers. Appreciate it. Really helps out tremendously. So ENTX, let's take a look at this. Announce a successful EB613 end of phase 2 meeting with FDA. FDA agrees to phase 3 12-month study with lumbar spine, BMD, bone mineral density as the primary endpoint. All right, so we're definitely gonna put this one on watch. But first, let me answer this question. Abdul says, "Hey Jesse, when do you suggest someone should change from paper to real money trading?" This is a question that could lead into an entire video. But short answer is going to be, for me, what I suggest, what I teach is you first identify what type of trader you want to be. It's going to take a minute because you got to try a few different strategies to figure that out. You're going to want to do it in the safety of a simulator. Number one, you don't know your software yet. Number two, you don't know how to trade. All right, you figured out what type of trader or strategy you want to use. Boom. Now, my opinion, you stay in that simulator using that strategy until you've proven to be profitable. Remember, there's no sense in reinventing the wheel. Bull flags are bull flags. Cup and handles are cup and handles. Ascending triangles are ascending triangles. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. You've proven to be profitable. It could take you 3 months, 6 months, a year. I personally like to tell traders the market's not going anywhere. And neither are you. There's no sense in rushing. You spend 4 years in college. 4 years. Sometimes even 6 years. So you do a whole year. If you do a whole year and you've proven to be profitable, it doesn't necessarily mean you were profitable all year long, but let's say you traded in the simulator all year and then maybe 6 months of profitability, that tail end, then I would say, okay, it's safe now to maybe go try some real money trading. But if you were in the simulator, number one, don't treat it just because it has $100,000 in it. Don't treat it like a video game. It's not a video game. It's not a video game. All right. Like pilots go into simulators before they go. Do you think they're treating that as a video game? No, they're manning those controls the proper way, right? So don't treat the simulator like it's a video game. It's not a video game. Treat it like it's a real account. If you're gonna go trade live account with $5,000 and your simulator has $100,000 in it, in your mind, if you cannot erase that 100,000 and make it 5, in your mind, you only trade with $5,000. That's it. And then use the risk in the simulator that you will use in the real world. Don't risk $1,000 per trade in a simulator if you're not going to risk $1,000 per trade in the real world. So if it's $50, it's $50. And then when you go live, don't risk 50, risk 25. Trust me. And then slowly work your way up. That's the best short answer I can give you. Thank you, C. I appreciate it. William, my pleasure. I'm glad you think that's good advice, man. Seriously, I mean, it's the best advice I can give a new trader. Morning, Dion. What's up? Okay, so ENTX. ENTX has some good news here. Oh, this is the level. This is the level for me. This is the level for me here. This 425. Look at this. Resistance. Resistance. Support. Support. Look at this, guys. Support. Support. And then 200-day, 100-day moving average just above it. I love it. That's the level you want to watch and see if it breaks and holds. It could have room towards 520 and 6. Look at 520. Look. Boom. So resistance back here and resistance all throughout here. Love it. That's the level. All right. I'm putting this one on the watch list. ENTX. Yeah. What's happening here? Oh, I got a break in. I got it. I got a break in. Say hi. Hi. I love it when she breaks in. The only thing with ENTX is I don't know if this press release is going to have the sauce behind it to send it. Everybody. I'm glad the okay, so FDA agrees to phase 3 12-month study as bone mineral density as primary endpoint. Watching for the 425 area to hold support. Could have room to 520. 520 to $6. What time is it? All right, it's 8:50. Exactly, William. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. No, King. Slow and steady wins the race. Imagine, it's like I said earlier, imagine a world where you want to be a surgeon and you're going to finish high school and you think you'll say, hey, you're going to go apply surgeon at the hospital. You got to go learn to be a surgeon. Stock trader is like the only thing in the world where people are like, I want to be a stock trader today. They download an app and that's it. And that's why they fail. And then that's why they think that the stock market is rigged and it's a scam and this and that. Because did you train to become a stock trader? No. You didn't. You know, it's like You want to be a dentist? You got to train to be a dentist. You want to be a firefighter? You got to train to be a firefighter. Hell, you want to be a mid-level manager in a retail store? You got to train to be a mid-level manager on the job training, but you got to train. You got to train to become whatever it is you want to do. And it's like trading, nobody wants to do that. So that's why it's so important. Exactly. I love it. Don't try to dunk on Jordan before learning to dribble. Exactly. Zach, no, I'm not really. I mean, I'm bullish Apple long term, but not near term right now. I mean, can it go a little bit more? Yeah, absolutely. Is Apple going to go to 200, 220? I don't know. Now? I don't know. I think you have more likelihood of Apple coming back down here to reality before making that kind of move. It's kind of like this. See? All-time high. We break it a little bit. And then we pull back, consolidate. I think Apple needs a pullback. I think Apple needs a pullback. Maybe back down here to 157, 160. Okay, guys, so it's 8:53 a.m. 8:53 a.m. We have an awesome watch list right now. I think we're really good right now as far as that goes. If you have any tickers, throw them up in chat. I'll be happy to go over them. I'll be happy to go over them. But for now, I think we got a good watch list. Guys, do me a quick solid if you can, if you don't mind. Hit that like button for me. It really helps out tremendously. Also, feel free to swing on by the Discord. Come hang out. After I'm done here at 9, I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Once we start getting, we have 42 watchers right now on the stream. Once we start getting to that 100 mark, I'm going to start streaming on Fridays. So right now I'm streaming Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Once we get to 100 and we hold that level, as new support, I'm going to start streaming Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. After that, I go over to the Discord and I'm on the Discord all day long. And like when I say I'm on there all day long, it's like literally I'm on there all day long. This is what I do every day. I'm trading. Dion, yeah, we went over Lucid a little while ago. 50 days holding it up. Like I said yesterday, that 50 day might hold it up. There you go. So there's really nothing happening on BFRI at all. Like at all. It's free falling. So let's not like try to pump it in the chat room. Because there's literally nothing happening in BFRI. The King, NIO. Oh, look, guys. NIO, we drew this line yesterday at 33. Remember, I said watch for a break and hold of 33. Right now, we're holding that level. NIO is lagging behind on the EV side of things with Tesla and Lucid making better moves. But if you can hold this 33, we got, it's got room to 35. It's definitely got some room to 35. So definitely want to keep on watch. Not one I would look to trade right now. Right now, I got Tesla, IMMX, PSTV, ENTX, FLGC, and HOTH. Definitely have those on watch there. Let's see. So we have about 4 minutes left, guys. Do you have any questions for me? Any questions at all? I'm going to be signing off at 9. So if you have any questions, now would be the time. Time for more of this chloroseptic spray. This thing has literally gotten me through the stream this morning. I love it. I will buy stock in this company. I don't think they have stock. Who is this? I don't even know who made this. It is not Johnson & Johnson, I don't think. Whoever made it, it's working. IMMX had a hard time breaking through 868 yesterday. Yes, it did. It sure did. That's why today I have it on watch, and it's not something I'm going to look at much unless we break over this 820 pivot. If we break over this 820 pivot, then it's going to be something I'll watch closer. Paul, totally my pleasure. Thank you for joining. I hope to see you tomorrow. DS Knobs. DS Knobs? That's a funny screen name. It's Procter & Gamble who makes this. Got it. Pharmacist #1 recommended. Thank you, thank you. V new high today, Mike says. What do you mean new high? It's far away from its all-time high. Oh guys, today we have a new video coming out as well on the channel. Today we have a new video coming out on the channel. It is going to be top signs that you are revenge trading. That's coming out today at 4 p.m. here on the channel. It's already scheduled and ready to rock and roll. That's kind of like what I'm going to be doing here this month. I'm trying out a bunch of new stuff on the channel. We're going to be streaming Monday through Thursday, like I said. Once we get to 100 people watching the stream, I'll stream Monday through Friday in the pre-market. And then for this week and next week, Tuesday and Thursdays, I will drop videos. Today, Tuesday, is top signs you're revenge trading. Thursday is going to be a video about my crypto mining setup. And then next week, I'll have another video on Tuesday and Thursday. And every once in a while, I'll sprinkle in a video on a Sunday for you. F is strong. Ford is very strong right now. Oh, PBH is who makes it? That's funny. Nice work. Nice work finding that. That's funny. ISPC flagging. Yep. Yeah, ISPC's got itself a nice little move today. So far in pre-market. Ford is extremely strong. All right, guys. So real quick, the watch list, I already built it up. If you want to start getting the watch list in your email every day, boom, that's where you got to go to sign up. It's completely free. We'll send you the watch list every day and the weekly watch list as well. And then if you want to come out and hang out with us in the Discord, you can do a 30-day of DTC Lite right here. Oh, and before I forget, if you want free TC2000 scanners for a whole year, just sign up for DTC Pro and you're good to go. That rhymed and it was not something I intended to do. Mara's Bitcoin related. If Bitcoin's not moving higher, Mara's not going to move higher. All right, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you guys for smashing the like button. Today's our record day in the room. We nearly had 50 people at one point in here, and we got 40 likes. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate you very much, and I hope to see you again tomorrow.